How's it going, everybody? Daner here with North Central Builds, and welcome back to another exciting polybag opening. Today we're going to be opening up this Lego polybag, which is from the Speed Champions series, and it is actually a McLaren Formula One team racer. Now this set is 58 pieces. One of the things that I love about these poly bags is they are super affordable. You can actually find them at some of your local dollar stores, Walmart, Toys R Us, and if you are lucky, you can pick these up for as cheap as $5, and sometimes you have to pay a little bit more. If you go to Toys R Us or Walmart, they're around $7. But they are a great option if you are looking for some cheaper Lego builds. And I honestly love some of the designs. You can see right here, this McLaren actually looks pretty nice considering it is only 58 pieces. So I'm super excited to tear this bag open and see what kind of pieces we are working with today. But before I can, I would really appreciate if you guys would smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and make sure to hit that bell notification so you can follow along with our new content. And then without any further ado, what do you say I tear this bad boy open and see what we are working with today? Let's get it, guys.